China's insane $11 billion artificial project that will change everything. China has plans for grand canals. The building scheme is part of an effort to become a transportation power. In this video, we'll talk about China's insane $11 billion artificial project that will change everything. This is a super canal that China is constructing. It is only 135 kilometers long, yet it has been planned for 100 years. According to Building Progress, it will be finished and operational in 2026. Mr. Sun Yat-sen of China suggested building a canal in Guangxi, China, as early as 100 years ago. However, China did not have good technology or sufficient finances at the time. On the other hand, foreign trade demand in Guangxi, China is low, yet China has been surveying and designing the Guangxi Canal since the 1950s. The overall investment in this project, according to project statistics given by China, surpasses $11 billion with an average cost of more than $80 million per kilometer of development. Some European engineers argue that China's massive investment in building this artificial canal in an economically disadvantaged location like Guangxi province is pointless. So, why does China need to construct this canal? What strategic significance does it hold? Let us investigate. The Pinglu Canal project in the Guangxi-Zhuang regional area in southern China was launched on August 28, 2022. The project, which is expected to be finished in 54 months, is a crucial component of a new land-sea corridor connecting inland regions in southwestern China with the coast of Guangxi and cities bordering Vietnam. Local officials expect that the new project would help regional transportation and economic growth. The Pinglu Canal is also being constructed in order to create a new waterway transport channel for trade between China and ASEAN countries. It will be the first new canal built in China since 1949. The canal will provide shipping access to the Gulf of Beibu for landlocked regions such as Guangxi and Guizhou, saving millions of dollars in transportation costs each year. The Pinglu Canal, the first to be built in China since 1949, will run between two major rivers, connecting inland regions to the Gulf of Beibu and from there to Southeast Asian markets. It will stretch south from the Zhijin Reservoir on the Yuijiang River to the town of Luwu on the Qingjiang River. The project is scheduled to be finished in early 2027 as part of a land-sea corridor designed to encourage economic growth in China's southern provinces, which have lagged behind coastal regions. Guangxi has one-fifth the GDP of neighboring Guangdong, and Guizhou, to the west, has less than a sixth. Shipping to the province capital of Nanning used to reach the sea via the Ji and Pearl rivers, according to Chen Hongqi, party secretary of the Guangxi Transport Department. The new canal route will remove 560 kilometers from that route, saving about $750 million in transportation expenditures each year. When completed in 2026, the Pinglu Canal is expected to generate significant trade advantages with ASEAN. Wu Peng, chief advisor of China Communications Construction Corporation, or CCCC, water transportation consultants, and one of the canal's designers, says the business anticipates heavy maritime traffic in the future. With the implementation of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, trade and investment cooperation between China and ASEAN is opening up a plethora of new opportunities. Without a doubt, total commerce between China and ASEAN will continue to grow quickly in the future. Furthermore, China is making unprecedented efforts to prepare for this expansion by building the Pinglu Canal in the Guangxi-Zhuang Autonomous Area, which borders the ASEAN bloc, with the goal of expediting goods movement between China and ASEAN. The Pinglu Canal, with a total length of approximately 135 kilometers and an estimated total investment of more than RMB 72 billion, began construction in August of this year. It is expected to be operational in 4 years and can accommodate 5,000-ton ships. According to Pinglu Canal Group Company Limited, the Pinglu Canal begins in county-level Hangzhou City of Nanning City and reaches Beibu Gulf via Qingjiang River in Lingshan County of Qinzhou City. According to Wu Peng, an expert in the planning and design of the Pinglu Canal project, the Pinglu Canal will be a pioneering feat in the history of canal construction in China, as it is the largest canal of its kind. Inland ships can sail directly to seaport. Upon completion, it will become a very busy canal noted for a large volume of freights, large tonnage ships, and a large number of vessels. The Pinglu Canal will open up a new channel for the mainstream of the Zhijiang River to enter the sea in the shortest distance. Through the Pinglu Canal, the inland river voyage of goods going from the southwestern region to the sea will be shortened by more than 560 kilometers, compared with that through Guangzhou. Chen Hongqi, secretary of the CPC Committee of the Transportation Department of Guangxi Autonomous Region, said that when the canal is completed, the southwestern and northwestern regions of China will be bolstered by the shortest, most economical, and most convenient passage to the sea. According to industry insiders, the Pinglu Canal will open a new sea entry avenue of the Zhejiang Golden Waterway, forming a river-sea circulation waterway channel that will effectively connect with the development of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, promote the continuous deepening of Guangxi and southwestern China's economic and trade cooperation with ASEAN and RCEP countries. When completed, the new canal would not only enhance China-ASEAN trade, but will also provide enormous potential for Guangxi, the canal's location. Currently, places all along the canal are deploying more production factors and near-port industries surrounding the project and in coastal ports. When the canal is completed, the supporting industries along the route will gain a significant competitive edge. Nanning, the capital of Guangxi Autonomous Region, is planning the construction of the Nanning East New Town, taking the initiative to integrate into the Pinglu Canal economic belt, cultivating advantageous near-port industrial clusters, and vigorously establishing a new energy vehicle and spare parts manufacturing base to serve the ASEAN market, with the vision of developing the Nanning East New Town into a model industry. Upon completion, the canal will bring forth immense opportunities to Guangxi and foster the formation of an all-round opening-up structure characterized by interconnectivity both at home and abroad, linkage between land and sea, and complementariness between East and West. The project will profoundly change the industrial layout, economic and social development structure of Guangxi, and propel Guangxi to accelerate its transformation into a Beibu Gulf International Gateway Port and International Hub Seaport, said Ouyang Bin, a member of the CPC Committee of the Transportation Department of Guangxi Autonomous Region. According to reports, the canal will be navigatable by 5,000-ton ships. The excavation of waterways, navigation hubs, cross-canal facilities, and auxiliary projects are all part of the construction. The canal is mostly utilized for transportation, but it also serves other purposes like water supply, irrigation, flood prevention, and aquatic ecosystem improvement. When completed, the Pinglu Canal will be the shortest, most cost-effective, and most convenient route to the sea for Guangxi, as well as southwest and western China. The canal will make it easier for the regions along the Zhejiang River's middle and upper reaches to develop the seaward economy, receive industries relocated from the Pearl River Delta, and grow primary commodities. It will promote the innovative and open growth of other cities in the autonomous area. As a major project serving the Belt and Road Initiative and assisting the building of a new development paradigm, the Pinglu Canal can further optimize the structure of the new Western Land Sea Corridor, enhance transportation capacity, and maintain stability of industrial and supply chains. Besides, the canal will better integrate Guangxi and southwest China into the building of a China-ASEAN community with a shared future. That's all. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to get more videos.